Hello everyone, today how I do things, and today I actually finished sweater, blocked the sweater, and I'm putting my tags that you can find in my shop. So I put one, and sometimes what I like to do, I like to use the yarn that I'm knitting to sew them in. So you can so you can see them over here. And in the bottom and over here in the corner I'm going to put these two. One will be sheep and another one on the wrong side, date, again with the instructions. Here, because it is my 100% rustic wool from Poland, and I think that would be really cute to have that there. But this video is about how I divide plies from the yarn if I want to use that yarn. So the yarn we divide to superwash and to wool. And there are two ways to divide it. And let's start with the yarn that I'm actually knitted a sweater, which you can see it's 100% wool. You have some bits sticking out. It's quite rustic, and you could see it's a 2-ply, probably iron weight, and you can separate like this. So in this case, what you would be doing, you'll be doing something like that. If I had it longer, this would twist, you could see. And I normally grab over here, this bit will entangle, and then I can pull again a bit, grab in the middle, stretch it, and again, you see, I can't go anymore, so I grab over here, stretch it, and go again. And that way you can divide them. With a superwash yarn, it's quite an easier thing. It doesn't matter how many ply it has, you just try to grab one ply. So, or even two. And what you do with it, you just grab over here and you just pull gently. You can just move this bit, those bits, and pull again. And that's that. All nice and easy, without a hassle. That's quite cool, but you would not be able to do it with a 100% wool because it will act like this. So here is another bit from my waving it ends, and if I would do something like this, it just separates and I'm not getting what I want. Learn from my mistakes, don't do it with 100% wool. I hope I helped, and I want to see your lovely tags on your sweater, whatever that is. See you till the next one. Bye. And one more thing, just to let you know, I love this bit. This is a metal box for notions. Sorry for the mess. It has a magnet over here, and I love it so much because this magnet works also on the outside. And I'm not saying who that's from, but I'm going to definitely put the link down below if you're interested. I love it. Do you want to see a mess again? Till the next one. Bye. Look what happened. It broke. Remember, bend and then pull through the hole. That's all. Be gentle. And what do you say? I think it's cute. Bye!